Okay, let's start by putting our potatoes into our crock pot, just like this, onto the bottom. And then we are going to add our carrots. Then we're going to add our broccoli, frozen broccoli, just like that. And then we will add our turkey, shredded turkey, just like this. And then we will add our garlic and onion, dried onion and fresh garlic, just like this. And then we'll add our salt, pepper, and garlic. And then we'll add our bay leaves, thyme, and parsley. And then we will put in our cream of chicken, just like this. And then we can add our broth, just like this. Chicken broth. And then we can move on to our next step. Okay, now we will put our cover onto our crock pot and we will cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours or on low for 6 to 8 hours. And I'll show you the next step. Okay, now that we're an hour before we're done cooking, we will add our rice and barley, just like this. And then we can cook this for about another hour, and I will show you the finished product. This is our finished product.